Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tot Tech. So friends, today in this video we're going to discuss and resolve this issue of Windows 10, which is Rundle error. There was a problem starting when opening any HDD. So we can fix this by following few steps. It's all on the Windows 10. You just need to watch the tutorial till the end. So let's begin with the video. First of all, you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu on the search bar, you just need to type CMD. Then you have to run the command prompt as an administrator. For that you have to right click on this, then afterward you have to click run as an administrator. Now you have to give access by clicking on yes. Once the command prompt would be open, you just need to type a simple command over here, which was like this: CHKDSK space C. C belongs to the alphabet which was of your driver, which contain your Windows file. So in my PC the C driver contains the Windows file, so I am writing the alphabet C over here. Then afterward you have to type colon space /R. Now you have to press enter. Now you can see the type of the file system is NTFS, cannot log current drive. So you need to check this system file volume. So for that you just need to click Y, then press enter. Now it was written over here, this volume will be checked. The volume will be checked the next time the system restart. So once you will restart your PC, the volume will be checked itself on there. I am going to show you that thing also. For that I have to close this thing, then afterward I am going to show you that on my mobile. So friends, I am going to restart this PC and show how would it check the system volume files. So close this thing, then afterward on this now I will click on restart PC. Now the PC is going to restart. Now my Foxen PC was starting. See, the disk check file is starting in 6 seconds. You can skip also, or you just have to wait for a while. The system file checking was started. Now you can see that check disk is verifying file. It will take some time because it will happen in stages, so you just need to patiently wait till the end. Now 12% has been completed, so you have to wait till the whole 100% completes. Now stage 3 of 5 has been completed and still only 14% completes. So this is a kind of lengthy process. It takes around 7 to 8 minutes to complete, so you just need to wait. Friends, I want to tell you that if you have any problem regarding any Windows issue you are facing rather than this also, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out with any kind of problem regarding your Windows. So please do subscribe also, so you can easily access my channel whenever you need any kind of problem regarding your Windows. Now you can see friends, 14% is only completed. Still the stage 4 of 5 has completed, yet one stage has been left, but it was still 14%. So you don't get confused by this. It will 100% complete within 10 minutes. So wait. Friends, still 14%, and you can see it was checking very file very low speed. You can see 58,517 has been completed, and still the whole file numbers are 68,592. So you have to wait till this thing. Now friends, the stage 5 of 5 has been started and it comes to 16%. So once this stage 5 completed, the whole process would be complete. So friends, the check disk process has been finished. So this was the method. Hope this method will help you out. If this video helped you out, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you are still resisting the same problem, you can leave your comment on the comment section regarding this or whatever issue you were having. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.